Now it's time to add the upper elements. We can also use templates for this. Since the base cabinets are already in place and we want the new ones aligned before the end, switch to sliding on the x-axis. Add the upper elements and snap them by edge. Next, let's add the kickboard. Start by extending the left side of the first cabinet and the right side of the last cabinet. Select the left side of the first cabinet, add a new board, and snap it to the right edge. Now we'll add a panel for wall protection, select the countertop, add a new board, and adjust its height if needed. At the end, we'll place shelves in the remaining empty space. The easiest way is to select the wall panel, add a new board, and slide it into position. Move it to the edge, resize it to fit the full width of the kitchen, and you'll have a perfectly fitted shelf without calculating dimensions manually. Place it where you want and then duplicate it to create 2 more shelves. Finally, let's add LED lights. Select the board beneath which you want to place the lights. Make sure your view rotation is aligned with the kitchen, in this case 0 degrees. Click Add LED, and the light strip will automatically be placed at the bottom of the board.